convert your PDF to the Word document. So guys, the process is very simple. You need to just follow the steps in this tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Microsoft Word. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Word document. You can see, just open the Word document, take the new page. Okay, go to the blank page. Now what you need to do, just go to the file, go to the open section, and here you can see the browse. Just you need to browse your file from your device. Okay, so in my case, in my computer, I have the PDF file in my documents. You need to just select that file here and open it. Okay, you can also open and repair, but I suggest just open it. So while it's opening, the one pop-up message will become here. It only says that your word, your PDF might be, they can change your, text or some uh, size, or maybe change some, space. So you need to just click on OK it. Okay, so we will not we are going to convert PDF to editable Word document. This may be take while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might be not look exactly like the original PDF. Okay, so it might be change some sizes or margin and all. So just click on OK here, and it will be convert. Now go to the edit, click on this enable editing, click on OK. Now you can see the your PDF file, it's converted in Word. Now you can edit your, here you can type anything, edit your content, and go to the file, and you can save, go to the save as, and select the location where you want to save this file. And from here you can change the, the file type. Like you can also change as a PDF, also save as a PDF if you want. Okay, and you can also save as a Word documents. Okay, and just save it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.